Welcome to my full review of Sellfy, a platform designed for creators who want to sell digital products, physical items, or even subscriptions. Right from the start, Sellfy stands out with a clean, simple dashboard. It's beginner-friendly, and you can set up your store without any coding experience, which is great for people just starting out. After signing up, you're taken straight to a setup wizard that walks you through the basics, adding your first product, setting up payment methods like PayPal and Stripe, and customizing your storefront. What I appreciate here is how fast you can get things up and running. You don't need a designer or developer. The store themes are basic but functional. If you want complex customization, however, you might find this limiting. Uploading products is straightforward. For digital downloads, Sellfy supports files up to 10 gigabytes, which is generous. You can also set download limits and expiration dates, which is useful for protecting your content. When I tested uploading a sample ebook, the process was smooth, and Sellfy automatically generated a product page that looked clean on both desktop and mobile. Physical product support is decent, but not advanced. You'll need to handle your own shipping logistics. Sellfy doesn't integrate directly with third-party fulfillment services. That's a downside if you're planning to scale with physical inventory. The built-in marketing tools include email campaigns, discount codes, upselling, and product bundles. There's no deep CRM or sales funnel builder, so if you need more advanced automation, you might have to connect Sellfy with external tools using Zapier. On the plus side, Sellfy provides some basic analytics, so you can track your performance, though again, it's not as detailed as you'd find with a dedicated analytics platform. Sellfy's subscription feature lets you sell recurring memberships or exclusive content. It's great for creators building a community or selling ongoing value. Payouts are immediate through PayPal or Stripe, so there's no holding period, which is a big plus compared to some other platforms that delay your earnings. The pricing is one of the bigger talking points. Sellfy does not take a commission from sales, but it requires a monthly subscription. Plans start at $29 per month, which is reasonable if you're making regular sales, but might feel steep if you're just getting started or testing the waters. There's a 14-day free trial, but it doesn't include all features, so you'll need to upgrade early to really test the platform's full capabilities. Many useful links you can find in the description. In terms of customer support, Sellfy offers email-based assistance and a decent knowledge base. I didn't experience major delays in getting responses, but there's no live chat or phone support, which could be a deal breaker for users who need more immediate help. Their documentation is fairly comprehensive and helpful for troubleshooting common issues. One major downside I found was limited design flexibility. If you're hoping for advanced page customization or third-party theme support, you'll likely be disappointed. What you gain in simplicity, you lose in control. Also, while the platform is secure and handles digital delivery well, it lacks certain features, like affiliate program management, which some competitors, like Gumroad or Podia, offer. Overall, Sellfy is ideal for creators who want a fast, easy way to sell digital content without getting bogged down in technical setup. It's best suited for solo entrepreneurs, authors, musicians, or artists who need a simple storefront. It's not the best option if you're building a large-scale e-commerce brand or need advanced features. If you found this review helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps the channel grow and lets me create more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching.